Wait, what?
Expert. He's in our papers 2 days ago telling us who we have to take. We don't have to take anybody that Mel Kiper says we have to take. Mel Kiper has no more credentials to do what he...
Come on. Really? Yeah, that was red light run. He wasn't even in the left turn lane.
Any question he asked that might even suggest a mechanism other than abuse, I was rejecting. I was adamant that it had to be child abuse, shaken baby syndrome with impact, could be no.
Wait, what? Yep, there he goes. I'll do that the last second to the carpool lane. Holy! Yeah, that center lane. I saw that way up there. That's an oopsie moment. Wow, that's a really bad red light run. Yeah, don't do that. In this weather, you're doing that shit? Really? Oh, that's very bad. Red light run. I was red for like 10 seconds. That's red light runner. Won't you come?
Which again was $1, compared to $1.47 for a 5-pack of Pillsbury buttermilk grains. I tried to find a 5-pack of Great Value biscuits versus a major brand of biscuits, but it doesn't look like Great Value makes them in 5-packs. So it looks like price-wise, the Dollar Tree may go for a sweep of the lower-cost items. Could this really be a Dollar Tree bargain in the making?
In the negative aspects that I have taken away from this meeting. But here's one of the positives, or at least a few of the positives, I should say. Number one, if you drive full-time already, easily pay this, and you're paying it for a service that reward. That is positive.
I just saw that.
Here's the other thing that's positive about it.
And the passage of people throughout the region. These checkpoints are located at either end of the bridge and serve as a means of resetting the traffic as vehicles change over to left
their home and livelihood. When converting their back porch into a TV room,
hello,
to get a building permit from the city. After Garcia received his bill, he appealed. That drove it up another $5,000. Since Garcia couldn't afford to pay $21,000 in prosecutor's fees within a month, the city put a lien on his house.
Like, you're gonna lose your house because. Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm great, Dave. How are you?
Better than I deserve. What's up?
Wow, that's late.
Okay, so
you can go now.
Have about
Wow. that white truck up there. No meaning to it all. Just today and not tomorrow, not another day. Why? You wait for me to show up to go. Oh, whoa! Holy crap! That was red. Oh, right turn only. What? BMW clip. And he's dyslexic. What the hell? Can we conduct the business like at the side of the street? You're holding up people. What are you doing? What? Wait. Wow.
HDMI alongside S-Video and NTSC consoles, or RGB on PAL consoles, as long as the progressive scan mode is not engaged. While it does limit use.
And here's what I'm talking about. According to Orlando Sentinel, as Mears and Uber get rid
Wait, did that guy like merge out from the exit lane? Feels so empty without me. Said this looks like a good job for me, so everybody got to follow me because we did a little controversy. What the hell?
It's capable of placing traditional video game graphics over a clear background. It was a feature that engineer Eric Cromley had included with the goal.
That's a one-way.
Games that used real full-motion video as the background. Due to cost, Coleco never used the feature.
A new study says that babies born to women who use cocaine during pregnancy are 3 times as likely to be born with birth defects.
What is that guy doing?
What we call jittery. And very, very high risk.
This video was made possible by Brilliant. Start learning with Brilliant for 20% off by being one of the first 200 to sign up at brilliance.org/HAI. China is just...
And that's a red light run.
I was setting up my setup for a football Sunday, getting the TVs ready, and I heard what was probably the most newsworthy thing in the pregame show.
I wonder how many dual turn fails there's going to be here. Yeah, there's one. No, don't tell me you're cutting through the parking lot. It's gone through the parking lot. I think you turn. Yeah, I think that's the street there. Oh, okay. Wow.
This? You know, how about that? Well, this weekend in many ways showed you how nothing makes sense in the NFL. And that's part of why the NFL is so
What the hell's that guy doing?
None of this makes sense. And
it's pretty narrow to pull a U-turn.
When the news started to trickle out about the quarterback Carson Wentz, you said, here we go. Nick Foles going to go on another run. Yeah. And away we go.
The Rams turned it over like 30 times in this game.
Well, yeah.
Holy shit, there's a Dave and Buster in there now. Nice. I did not know that was there. Oh, what? People are just dumb. There's absolutely no one behind me either. This is what I'm gonna do. Uh-oh. Let's exit from the center lane, shall we? What the fuck are you doing? What the What are you What the hell? It's hard. It's so hard to stop at these red lights. What the fuck was that? And they get honked at. Jeez, how many people are going to run that? Oh, that was definitely a red light run, too. Really? Go! Go!
Why are you so close to me, man?
Oh, wait, it's a one-way. Oh my God.
It takes a little loving. It takes a little loving.
Go, what are you doing?
If you can't respect my space and my life, don't drive. Don't drive.
Word. What the fuck are you doing? It's red light. Go! Wow. Up there. That's not how you do it. And I was editing that clip yesterday. This is going to be one of those fun intersections. Yeah.
Still kind of squicky. She started off as the most determined to bring Rancic to justice and the easiest one to get rattled because of the loss of Alex.
BMW clip.
Fellow mutant, I should add. And what does Rancic do? Laughs that the guy's a fool and burns down his lab with the intent of killing him.
Oh, they're going to do it anyway.
That
lane's full of cars.
But the two are put into a dream state. And what do they dream about? Becoming superheroes and saving the world. Now, in the dream, they can't drive the Megazord properly.
With Detective Rob Marks by our side, we followed the GPS beacon.
That's a straight only lane.
99% and do this. But they're trying, and a lot of them are trying to do a good job, and some of them aren't trying to do a good job.
Look at
so what do you do?
What? Come. Whoa. Yeah, why pick this lane, guys? Really? no, you're not gonna make it.